Okay, here we have a nice question about Newton's third law of motion. No calculations. We're just looking and analysing the situation and identifying forces. So, as ever, pause the video, have a read, have a try, and then carry on to find out the solution, and hopefully it matches yours. So we've got a book which is at rest on the table, and one of the forces acting on it is its weight. And we want to know the other force which completes the force pair according to Newton's third law of motion. Now, when I'm teaching Newton's third law, I tend to do it in a very, very simple way, using very simple English, and I'm hopeful that that allows you to see how to answer these questions generally. So what we do first is we try and find out what one of the forces is. Okay, and in the question we're given weight. So we know that weight is the action of gravity on the book, and what's happening there is that the Earth is pulling the book down. And what we've done by sort of analysing that situation is identify the two objects which are in this force pair. So generally we would say the two objects X and Y are going to interact, and X might pull or push Y in a particular direction. If we take this example, we've got the Earth, which is one of my objects, pulls the book, the other object, downwards. So X here is the Earth, Y is the book, and the direction here is down. Now, in the case of the other force pair, well, all we have to do is reverse those objects. Okay, we're going to switch X and Y, and we're going to change the direction. So the general form for the second force is simply Y pushes or pulls X in the opposite direction. In this case, my book is going to have to switch with the Earth, and my direction is going to have to become opposite, so down becomes up. And that is the second force there. The book is pulling the Earth up. Now, we don't notice this because the book is so small and the Earth is so big. The Earth doesn't really move according to that force because the acceleration according to that force would be so tiny, you just wouldn't notice it. But that's actually what's happening. If the Earth pulls you down, you are also pulling the Earth up. And therefore, our answer there is the pull of the book on the Earth.